recording. Here we go. You have to look at this kind of there. Put a piece of it in there. Look, you can see the motor spinning back here. You can like throw shit into it. Look at it.
Dude, you can see fire. Oh, it died. It died. It's smoking. Look at the smoke coming out of it. Hit the button again. Oh, it died.